Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to adding a background on your video by CapCut application. So first thing we have to do here is just go up on the CapCut application. If you want to start editing our project, just click in your project, but today I would like to give you an example from my previous project. So here I already have the project here. So to change or adding the background, we make sure that we already remove the previous background of this video or the original background of this video. So how to do that? You just need to click the clip, and after that you need to focus on these tools. Just lay into the left side until you found a cutout tools. So cutout tools will be like this. Just need to click it, and after that just click remove background. And now you just need to wait until the process is running complete on your project. So sometimes the duration will be followed with the length of your video. The longer your video, it will take the longer times to apply or remove the background on your video. Okay, almost there. It's so close. And 100. Now we already removed the video. We already removed the background, and after that, how to add the background, you just need to go back into the home screens here, and you need to take a look on these features. Make sure you like slide these features into the left side until you found a canvas. In this canvas, you can just go click background. You can add the background. If you already have the background on your device, you just need to click it, and now you have an access to add the background that you have or you prepared before. But you have no, the CapCut already have several backgrounds to you. You just need to choose it. Or if you only want a color, you just need to go click this and go click a color and choose what color that you want to apply to. And after you're done, just click done. Now just have it checked. So that's the way how to add background on your video by CapCut. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.